Hi, in this video we're going to take an overview look at the RINNAI Galaxie MkII gas heater. So if you're getting this gas heater or you're about to get one of these gas heater, you probably want to look at it and see what it looks like. Not just looking at the image on the web. Sometimes a video will be helpful. So here it is. Now you can see the size of the gas heater. I'm just going to put a chair right there so that you can compare how high it is and how big it is. So this is the size of a standard dinner table chairs, and that's how big the RINNAI gas heater is. And at the top here, it is like a fan compartment where the heats come out, and here are the elements that generate the heat. So this front gouge here can also be taken out by moving this up and down. So, and the bottom here cannot be moved, it stays in one place. At the bottom there are leg stand for the gas heater. So there it is. This is the bottom of the gas heater. And at the top of the gas heater, this is what it looks like. You can see here there is a control. So this switch here is for controlling the fan speed. So you either have you can turn off the fan to low, you can switch it to low or high. Now if you look at this instruction here, you can see there are three different buttons, three different knobs. So this one is a starter, so press on this button we start the gas heater, and by pressing on this second button we'll put your gas heater into medium mode. And if you continue to press the last button, the last knob, then this will push the gas heater into a high mode, giving you the maximum heat capability for this device. So here are some instruction. Hopefully it may be useful if you ever need to know how to turn it on. So some instruction here. You may need to post the videos for instructions, so just post the videos if you need to, and you can read the instruction how to turn on this gas heater. And let's go to the back of this gas heater. So this is the back of the gas heater here. It has a gas pipe right here. There is a gas pipe running. It's around over a meter, maybe a meter and a half. So this one here, maybe a meter and a half, you can see. And this is the head that goes into the wall. This thing spins around, and it has cables. So this cable here is used to start up the gas heater. So this is used for the ignition of the gas heater. And this thing here goes into the gas socket right over here. So all you have to do is just have to plug this into here, and that will turn on the gas heater. So that's it. That's what it looks like. This is what you can expect to get if you're getting one of these gas heater. Initially, when it just come out to the market, it costs around $800 or $850 Australian dollars. And in the next videos, I'm gonna show you how to connect the gas heater and turn it on, and how you can easily operate the gas heater, which is very useful in the winter time. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.